Good morning, friends. So you must be wondering that where am I right now? Seems a highway at the back. Yes, I am present in Shaktigad. Well, let's start from the beginning. নেপাল হ্যাঁ 10-12 দিন হবে চলি দেখা হবে আবার Good morning, friends, and welcome to the fresh new series of Nepal Adventure Ride. Previous one was not a ride one, it was a drive with Zeus the Thar, and this time is the adventure ride to Nepal. 3 of us, that is me, Amlan Das and Kundan De, along with the support of IBR, India Bull Riders. We are all moving towards the adventure of Nepal. As you can see, this motorcycle is what I call faith, the Himalayan. Today is 3rd of April 2024 and it's approximately what's the time, 3:30 a.m. that we are moving. I'm actually going towards Kundan's house. Amlanda is supposed to come there, and from there we'll start our journey. So here we reached KD's place. আরে অমলান্দা কি খবর?
আরে স্যার আপনি কি সুন্দর বাইকটা
আপনার কেডি শুট করছে, কেডির এটা নিউ চ্যানেল, so viewers, everybody should view his channel as well. Very new, just the first ride to be documented
and beyond.
So let's go. We will give the link later on. Let's move. This is a KD's place actually. We are about to meet up here, so let's go. Jete jete kotha hobe. Let's go. So now, as you all know, it is Nepal adventure ride with Kundan and Amlanda after a long time. So let's it's approximately 6:10 a.m. now, and hence we'll be moving towards Dhanbad. And after a long time we are almost reaching Durgapur now. The road has become a bit calm, and we could spread our legs a bit, and the condition of the road is very good now. Look at it, wonderful road right in front. So we have stopped after 100 kilometers from our previous stop. This place is Ondal, and just by the highway we have stopped here for breakfast. We have ordered aloo paratha, and after having breakfast we'll move on. But the temperature is rising gradually. It's getting hot, very hot in fact. But anyway, this is also the part of the journey, so you can look at my face and understand how scorching the sun is. So we took a petrol from here. Jharkhand is relatively cheaper. Look at this. अरे वाह, क्या गाना चल रहा है। We left the national highway and took a state highway, which is not that wide but comfortable. পুরো পলাশ ভর্তি। ये जगह का क्या नाम है?
ये गिरिडीह जिला पड़ता है।
हाँ,
जमुआ मिर्जागंज है।
Jammu. So we have stopped here at Jammu, Mirzaganj, within the Giridih district. It is 1 o'clock now. Feeling very hungry and very exhausted because of the heat. So here there is a very short sort of a hotel where we will have lunch and rest for some time. It's tremendously hot right now. This is where we have settled down for some lunch. It's a very typical sort of a countryside hotel. This is in the Giridih district. মাছ ভাত ডাল তরকারি ভাজা পাঁপড়। প্রচণ্ড খিদে পেয়েছে, আগে খাই তারপরে বাকি কথা। So friends, we have been waiting out here for the entire afternoon.
And this is my beautiful bed.
And look at the bed of Kundan. It's extremely hot now. এখন আমরা এখান থেকে আমরা বেরোবো, বেরিয়ে আমরা যতদূর যেতে পারি যাব। So we are leaving the lunch place. Look at those flowers, Polash food. Those are all Polash flowers, the special colors of spring. It's dark now and it's 7 p.m. We have a long distance to go. We don't know how far we can go, but at least we have to reach Muzaffarpur to keep our schedule on track. So that is what we are trying for. Good morning friends, good morning from Muzaffarpur. As you know, we had reached here last night and settled down in this Hotel Premso International. We were supposed to leave early morning at around 5 o'clock, but the body was so tired and extremely exhausted. Let's go to Raxaul now, the border region, and from there, after making the Bansar, we'll be entering Nepal. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. Here we are leaving this hotel for Raxaul. We'll be moving towards Raxaul now. So the superb traffic, I hope we can see this. Excellent, this is Raxaul. We are actually moving towards the Bansar office now. A lot of things were done in between. It's quite late, it's around 1 p.m. now. Bansar is actually the permission for your vehicle to ply in the roads of Nepal, and you actually need the RC with a working QR code, the original RC with a working QR code. And look at the traffic out here, it's horrible. The heat and the crowd and the jam is pathetic. I mean, horrible actually. This is the border. Actually, you will cross it, this river. Now you are entering Nepal. There you are. You can see the gate by the Kingdom of Nepal. That is the entry gate of Nepal. Beautiful, nice gate actually. That's the Bansar office on the left. Checking is going on the vehicle along with the permission. So the off-roading starts as we enter Nepal. This actually gives a profile of how the roads are going to be. So we have reached the inside of Nepal, and this is the place where we'll be making a SIM card. Quite a primitive sort of a feeling that you will get over here. So the SIM card is made and it's getting activated. After having lunch over here, Raj Darbar Hotel, this is the place right on the highway. We'll be moving straight on this side towards Pokhara. Here you are, guys, the first ride on the mountains of Nepal. It's a forest with a river by the side. There you can see all the cliff hangers. Nepal roads are famous because they are steep. They are not as gentle as the Indian mountain roads, and which is quite visible out here only. These are good roads to be considered, so you can easily imagine what the bad roads are. Thank you.